Hello everyone, this is Tulsi Sahu from Gidhari Bharadwaj and I am student of Ignite Circle, and now at the present pleasure to meet you here, and I hope you are doing very well, fit and fine. So as you all know that English is so important for all of us, and as you all know that English is not our native language, then also in our bright future we really have got to need English language, speaking English and learning English. Some people that also says English is so difficulty language, but English is not difficulty language. English is just mode of a communication. So let me tell you who told me about this wonderful class. So let me tell you, one day I saw my friend, they were speaking English without any hesitation. So one day I asked my friend, yeah, how can I speak in English without any hesitation? So my friend told me the wonderful class Ignite Circle and also told me about Govind sir. So one day I take decision, I have to join this class, and because I wanted to speak in English. So one day I joined this class. So my classes started. So I thought that yeah, whether I can do it or not. But our class is going on. So day by day I'm in track to Govind sir and his teaching style. So which is really great for me. And you know what? One day Govind sir given us formula. So I'm continually follow the formula. So having a new hope again. And you know what? What happened with me? The biggest logical improvement is what you can see me. I'm speaking English in front of you all. So firstly, a lot of sin, a lot of setbacks, I think so many rejection about English. But after joining this class I have no problem, I have no rejection. And firstly I'm so nervous, I'm so fear person, but after joining this Ignite Circle I have no fear, I have no nervousness, I have only confidence. And I'm such in live environment, there no one can speak in Hindi fluently, but you can see me after joining this class I began to speak in English without any hesitation and so much confidence. So the last message for you, if you really want to be improve yourself and if you wanted to speak in English, so you have got to join this class. Thank you. Bye bye.